Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to make this super easy pattern. This pattern is made by only 2 rows and we need 2 colors of yarn for that. I made this pattern with a 2.5 millimeters hook. This is very nice and very easy. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and then start chaining. These chains should be a multiple of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue this work until these chains reach the desired size. I made 44 chains and now start the work from 5th chain from the hook. Skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and go to next chain and make 1 double crochet here. Then make 1 double crochet into the next chain and 1 double crochet into the next. After these 3 double crochet, make 1 chain and skip next chain and go to the next, and again make 1 double crochet, 1 into the next and 1 into the next. After 3 double crochet, make a chain and skip next chain and again make double crochet into next 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. You have to repeat this work. Make a chain, skip 1 chain and make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains and continue until the end of the row. Now I reached the end of row 1 and after last group make a chain and make 1 double crochet into last chain. Okay, row 1 is finished. Now fasten off and cut this yarn, and I want to continue the work with next yarn. So grab the second yarn and turn the work. Insert the hook into first stitch and grab the yarn. Make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chain. Okay. After these 5 chains, I want to make 1 double treble crochet into second chain 1 space. Okay. Skip this space, the first space, and go to the next space and yarn over 3 times. Insert the hook into that. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Then make 2 chains. Yarn over 3 times and make 1 double treble crochet into the first chain 1 space here in front of previous double treble. Okay, insert the hook into the space and make the stitch 1, 2, 3 and 4. The second stitch is placed in front of the first stitch just made. Okay, make a chain and go to next chain 1 space, not here. Yarn over 3 times, go to the next, make 1 double treble crochet, then make 2 chain and go back to this stitch, yarn over 3 times and make 1 double treble in front of previous double treble. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make a chain, yarn over 3 times, go to the next space, not here, insert the hook into that and make 1 double treble, then make 2 chains, yarn over 3 times, go back to this space and make 1 double treble in front of previous double treble. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and make a chain. And we have to repeat this sequence one more time. Skip this space, go to the next, make double treble into that, 2 chains, go back to skipped space and make 1 double treble in front of the previous double treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a chain. And repeat this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 2. After last stitch, make a chain and make 1 double treble crochet 1, 2, 3 times into second chain of the beginning chains of previous row. Here, this is the first chain that makes 1 chain 1 space, and this is the second chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now fasten off and cut the yarn. Now you want to continue the work with first yarn. Make a slip knot with first yarn and turn the work and insert hook into first stitch and slip stitch. Then make 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, and then make the groups of 3 double crochet into these chain 2 spaces between each 2 double treble. We have 1 chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet into that. 1, 2 and 3. Make a chain, go to the next chain 2 space. Here, not this chain 1 space, here make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Make a chain, go to next chain 2 space, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3, and chain 1, and continue this work until the end. At the end, after last group, make 1 double crochet into 5th chain of turning chains of previous row, and row 3 is finished. Cut the yarn and again start next row with next yarn, and we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, until the height of this pattern reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated those 2 rows and this is my pattern. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and leave a comment. Have a nice day.